today I will be teaching you how to make this awesome thing in front of you guys. You guys are probably thinking, that's just clay and slime. That's not awesome. Well, it is awesome. It is cornstarch slime, which is actually a very simple slime, but very cool. All you need is cornstarch and water. If you don't really want to do that much work, though, you can just get sidewalk chalk paint or and cornstarch. But today I'm making it all homemade. So my materials are pretty dirty because I've been making this all day trying to perfect the recipe, and I'm pretty sure I've got it now. So I have this cup in front of me. It's very dirty because I've been using it all day, and what it is some chalk paint. I'm gonna put this all away and just get a bit of water and put this in here. Okay, that's good. Oh, a bit more. And it has a bit of food dye in it. It's going to turn a bit colorish. Then I'm going to get my cornstarch. And I'm going to put twice the amount of water in. Then I'm going to take my spoon, which is also a bit dirty. And I'm just going to mix this. Very simple. Very easy. So I just finished mixing, and it turned out just how it is supposed to turn out. Gooey. It looks so gooey. Hey, that's not slime, is it? Yeah, it is. It is actually supposed to be gooey. And look, when I touch it, nothing comes off. Not at all sticky. You're probably thinking, how is that possible? I'll tell you how this is possible. When you touch it, it becomes rock solid. Very odd. I don't know how, but it does. So that is crazy, and that's how you make cornstarch slime. So, yeah, it is very fun to play with, melts very easily. But one thing I really do want to tell you. Two things, actually. One, you may think, okay, this is just cornstarch and water. Why can't I eat it? Do not eat it. Probably won't even taste good. Okay. Second thing I want to tell you is you do not want to bang it or force it to melt. If it does not melt, that means you have to add maybe water or maybe corn. If it does not melt, you want to add water. But if it's not turning rock solid, you want to add cornstarch. Do not bang it to try to get it rock solid or melt. That will just make it even harder to melt, and it will be harder to put it back together because this slime is not that easy to put back together unless it was taken apart because of the melting. Then all you want to do is just put it back in. You do not want to bang it. That really does not do anything but make it harder to do what you're doing. So, yeah. And if it tears and you're like, uh-oh, I think I might have actually just banged it. It probably will just melt back in place. But if you do bang it, it probably won't re-melt. So, yeah. So, this is once you bang it. It is so cracked, and it's very hard to put it back together. Like, it just crumbles. So you really do not want to bang it. But this is what it looks like when it is not banged, and it is actually really good. So, if you do not like the color of yours, you can add food coloring or maybe some paint. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.